Today, I'm going to teach you how to install Microsoft Planner as an app on your desktop. This is incredibly useful if you want quick access to your tasks and projects without having to open a browser and navigate to the website every single time. Let's jump right into it. First, you need to open Microsoft Planner in your browser. Go ahead and type in planner.cloud.microsoft in your address bar and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Planner login page. If you haven't already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your Microsoft account credentials here. Go ahead and sign in with your email and password to access your Planner workspace. Once you've successfully signed in, give it a moment for your Planner to fully load. You'll see all your tasks, boards, and plans appear on the screen. This is your main workspace where all your project management happens. Now that everything is loaded and ready, we can move on to actually installing Planner as a standalone app on your desktop. To install Microsoft Planner as an app, look at the top right corner of your browser window. This is where all your browser settings and customization options live. You'll see either 3 horizontal bars or 3 dots, depending on which browser you're using. Click on that icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser and the current page. In that menu, hover your cursor over the option that says Save and Share. When you do this, an expanded menu will appear with additional choices. From these options, click on Install Page as App. This feature essentially turns the web page into a standalone application that you can launch directly from your desktop without needing to open your browser first. After clicking Install Page as App, a small window will pop up on your screen. Here you'll be asked to enter a name for this app. You can keep it as Microsoft Planner or customize it to something that makes sense for your workflow. Once you've entered the name you want, click on the Install button. The installation process will complete almost instantly, and you'll now have Microsoft Planner installed as a desktop app that you can access anytime with just one click. And that's it. You've successfully installed Microsoft Planner as a desktop app, making it much easier to manage your tasks and stay organized without the hassle of navigating through browser tabs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.